Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at once?
Get it back together soon.
It should really be given to.
Alrighty.
Wave at the camera.
Okay.
Wave at the camera.
Covering his feelings. Going through changes. I'm just so mad right now.
You know it's been a while because, yeah, I thought I had recorded this whole haul and I didn't. Hey, here we are. I got a haul from Aldi's, Five Below, and Big Lots. Halloween stuff, fall stuff. You can see what it is. Okay. We about to get started into this cleaning motivation. It's been about 6 weeks. I missed you guys so much. A lot has happened. We will get into that later on in this video. We got a quick power hour going on because I have a couple of friends coming over. And yeah, I have been playing my game. If you don't know, Dreamlight Valley. And I have been on it for like 48 hours, not straight. I'll take like a 2-hour nap to get back on it for like 4 hours, take another hour nap, get back on it. One of those types of things. If you're a gamer, you know, you understand, you got it. So yeah, so we are cleaning the living room and the dining room, power hour type thing. I need to clean some things off and get some mama to it. If you're new here, thank you. Welcome back to DAT Family 5. On this channel, you get cleaning motivation, DIY inspiration, and anything else I like to vlog. I really appreciate y'all for still staying here throughout the 6 weeks I've been gone and watching some videos that are up there. This is our 5th year doing this, and I'm really still enjoying teaching. I'm really still enjoying editing and putting videos out and all those good things. You see me in my pajama bottoms and a regular shirt because guess what? We chilling. We are straight chilling today. So I really hope that y'all enjoy this video and the music, and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, bye.
And we reach a point we can't reach.
So what has happened? Let's guess what. Let's see. So I started a new job. I ended a new job. No longer working there. A lot has happened. I have learned that I need a certain type of environment for me to flourish, right? Becoming an adult and going through therapy and not pushing myself to do things that aren't comfortable for me. Though the money was amazing. Money was amazing. But I will not, and I spoke to my husband about it and my therapist. I will not sacrifice my peace for money. I will not, and that's pretty much what happened. The place was not for me. I was not a good fit for them. They were not a good fit for me. So I tried to fit, and it wasn't working. That puzzle wasn't there. So yeah, so that's what happened. I was there for about 5 weeks, and then I was like, yeah, I can't do this no more. And they were like, we can't do it either. And I was like, well, pieces and deuces and pieces. And that's what happened. Y'all be blessed. And we pieced out. I still have my PRN job, and I'm going back to that soon this week. I still have my part-time jobs with the Y and One Life. Never stop those things. And so this is just allowing me the flexibility to do what I need to do within my family and still looking for another job, right? So we had a lot going on. Mamie started college and I started work at the same time. That's a lot, especially for somebody who has slight mental illnesses, right? And then, yeah, I was not getting enough sleep. All those factors in. Y'all got to make sure you rest and get your things. So yeah, it was a lot going on. So, yeah, I am blessed and highly favored to the place to where that regardless of what's going on, my husband cares more about me than what's coming in. Yes, we were happy about the money that was coming in. However, he wasn't happy about my aura and how I was feeling. He was like, something's wrong. What's wrong? Like, what happened? Like, after the first week, he was like, what's going on? So we had to go through that. Talked to my therapist. She said, this may not be a good fit. I'm like, I'm going to try to make it work. I did. I tried my best, and it didn't work. So here we are back. Like, I couldn't get no videos out. Like, it was on my mind trying to get the video out for y'all, and I'm like, I could not. Like, the depression hit so heavily and so badly to the point to where I could not move after work. And that's not good. And that's not me. Even after work, I should be able to continue moving. Like, it was not, no. So if it's not good for you, don't continue doing it. Okay. Let's get back to this video. Now y'all know where I've been, what's been going on, what is happening. Okay. We are starting back on fall declutter. It is that time, fall declutter. In the next video, we're going to do the front area declutter and, the declutter and decorations, decor for fall and Halloween. You know, we're doing both together. So I really hope that y'all enjoy. I'm gonna be quiet for the rest of this power hour. I really hope that y'all thus far have enjoyed the cleaning. It's more or less picking up and take care of some stuff before, you know that quick pickup before you got family or friends coming over. They know your house. They know you. They don't care. They want to spend time with you, and that's why they coming. You know what I mean? So, yes. So, but we're going to get it together. All right? I'm looking for some things and trying to get some things done. So, I really hope that y'all enjoy. Love you guys. See y'all at the end.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case. I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream. Really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case.
that text on deck, so my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
All right, so we got like 7 minutes left real quick. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Douglas and the mother of 3 beautiful girls. Well, 2 mini women and 1 girl. We have a host of animals here at this house, and we like to go ahead and invite you to join our wonderful growing family here on YouTube. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscription box down below. Turn the red to gray to join our wonderful family. We appreciate y'all watching this all the way through. We thank y'all for being here. All the things, y'all, all the things. I'm happy to be back and doing the things that makes my heart happy. How about that? Okay? Y'all be blessed, and I'll see y'all all the way at the end.
You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. For me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Whoa.
as always, for we are the family of love, life, and having fun, and giving you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you so much for still being here after being gone for 6 weeks. We are getting back to the major word of this year is consistency. Y'all be blessed, and we see y'all on the tube. Bye.
Still strong, like I'll be on my way.